Next, we're looking at grouped frequency distributions, or sometimes they're called grouped frequency tables. And these are similar to frequency distributions, except for the data is organized into classes first. For example, instead of having individual rows for each of the numbers 41, 43, 47, 48, they are all grouped together into one row labeled 40 to 49, so the 40s. And the lower class limit is the lowest number that can belong to a class, and the upper class limit is the greatest. For example, 40 is the lower class limit, and 49 is the upper class limit to the 40s class. So a class of 40 students take an English exam, and their scores are as follows. So we have this data here, and they want us to construct a grouped frequency distribution, and they want us to group the data by 40s, 50s, 60s, etc. So I've made two columns. In the first column is the score, and as you can see, I'm using the classes, and the second column is the frequency. So the first class is the 40s, and I need to find all of the values here that are in the 40s. So there are 3 of them, which means the frequency of this class is 3. Next is the 50s, and there are 6 values in the 50s. Next is the 60s, and there are 6 of those. 70 to 79, there are 11 of those. 80 to 89, we have a frequency of 9. And then finally the 90s, there are 5 of them. So as a check, if you add up all of the frequencies, it should equal the total number of data items, or in this case, 40. And they do.